Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to bring you a couple of quick little tip videos. And the first one is going to be OSX based, and the second one is not going to be. It's going to be more for your terminal environment, and both videos are going to be about how to affect your working environment. The reason I wanted to take these videos light and easy is because I've had a crazy day at my first day at a new job. I'm now a senior developer at Team Detroit in Dearborn, Michigan, and I have built a new computer. So this is my first time running tutorials on my new Hackintosh. My previous computer was a Hackintosh. This one I just built yesterday, so I'm just hoping that it's a total fresh install. I'm hoping everything goes all right. So that being said, I want to configure this computer to look a certain way. And one of the things I really like to do with a new computer is I like to turn the menu bar black. So how do you turn the menu bar black in OSX? Now, regardless of what operating system you're running, whether it's Mavericks or Snow Leopard or whatever, this obsidianmenubar.com, and I'm gonna have the link in the comments or the description. I guess I always say comments when I mean description, whatever. We have the link. I'll put the link in there, and really what you can do is just go ahead and download this. Now, what this is going to do is just download an installer. However, there are a couple of steps to get it working. So I'm going to unzip this, and I'm going to install it with the Install Obsidian Menu Bar. Okay. Now, keep in mind to return yourself yeah, okay, this is basically just saying it's a hack that'll affect all users. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I do. I've installed this on many computers. I've never had an issue at all. So, okay, so I've installed it now. And keep in mind, if you want to uninstall it ever, you need to use this Restore Default Menu Bar app, and it just runs and it takes care of everything. Cool, so I've gone ahead and downloaded and installed it. Now, why is it not black? Well, we have to do a couple of things. We have to first change our settings to, say, in System Preferences, we're going to turn to Desktop and Screensaver, and then we're going to uncheck the translucent menu bar. So we now have our black menu, but you'll notice it's sort of weird. It went away when I unclicked that. Well, that's cool. What you have to do actually is log out and then log back in. Now, since that's going to cause this video to stop recording, I'm going to log out, log back in, and I'll see you once I've done that. Okay, so now you may have noticed that we logged out, we logged back in. We have this black menu bar, but the text could be more readable, and some of our icons here are just not, you know, white, essentially. So what can we do? It says step number 3 here is to basically grab this .menu file, throw it somewhere. I'm going to throw it just onto my desktop. You can put it anywhere, maybe perhaps your documents, just somewhere you're not going to notice it. And now from here, you're going to want to open it. So by double clicking it, it opens it. Now, you're also going to want to make this run when you log in, so we can come to System Preferences and then Users and Groups and then Login Items, and we can add this there. I simply just dragged it over, and that works. Cool, so we now have this pretty good, and there's some additional steps you can do. You can turn off LED font smoothing. I personally don't mind that one. If you want to move some of your icons here into a bartender tab, then you can use the app bartender to do that. It also talks about how you can't hide the shadow. That's all right. And basically, if you have an app like any of these that you don't like the icon for because it's now dark on a dark background, you can come into the Obsidian Menu Bar folder, go to Installer Content, and then the Applications folder, and you will see a whole bunch of icons here. Unfortunately, it doesn't really help me out because the Dropbox icon looks all right, but you know, they don't have a screen flow icon and they don't have a clip menu icon. So either way, whatever, you know, you can follow this step and basically replace the icons if you have any icons that you need replacing. But so now we have a nice looking black menu bar in OS X, and I think it looks great. I personally have this set up on all my computers. Cool, so that's just a small tip. It might not help you out anyway functionality-wise, but it's just something interesting. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment in the video, hit us up at Twitter or Facebook, anywhere. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.